So the Ralph is an independent specialist veterinary referral hospital for small animals. We have orthopedics, urology, internal medicine, ophthalmology, all the other disciplines that you would need for a top-end referral hospital. There is a lot of laundry that needs to be done. Bedding needs to be cleaned regularly. It needs to be disinfected properly. You run the washing machines constantly through the day. And so we needed to make sure that we had good quality machines for our hospital.
Key things that we have to make sure that we overcome within veterinary centres are making sure we've got the right wash programs to process the garments that they're putting through, the right drainage, because obviously pipes can become blocked with hair build-up from dog blankets and things like that. It was clear that these machines would be the right ones because they do satisfy all those needs.
With the brief provided in terms of the parameters they were looking to do, the only brand that really fit that in terms of specification and quality, which is what they designed, was Miele.
We know that it's a very reliable brand. We knew from our own experience it would last us a long time, was efficient, and would provide us the quality of clean that we needed for our hospital. It was also part of our green credentials to make sure that we were using equipment that was as green as it could be. So Miele was the obvious choice for us.
There are two PW413s here from the benchmark range and a PT8403 electric tumble dryer.
Previous washing machines in the past have been hard work because they usually break down quite a lot because there's a lot going through, they're always running, it's a lot of heavy equipment, whereas with these ones it's all built in, it's straightforward, one of the best products we've used in the veterinary practice.
When it came to choosing the brand that we wanted for the hospital, it had to be Miele and nothing else.